Hello and welcome to Ken the Wiz. In today's video, we want to talk about Canva. Here is my complete guide to Canva. Consider subscribing to this channel for more informational videos. Do not forget to comment down below as well. Canva is a free and easy-to-use graphic design tool that can be used to create high-quality graphics. It's great for creating social media posts, blog images, infographics, presentations, web graphics, and even video ads. To know how to use Canva, here is my 6 easy steps. On your browser, search canva.com or click the link in the description box. Sign up for free or sign in easily using your Google account. From the Canva dashboard, you will be able to see different designs and templates. Choose a lab templates and make little editing or design from scratch. Add your content to the design chosen. This includes texts, images, tables, or infographics. Format your contents easily using the provided functionalities. Always remember the design are automatically saved to the cloud and can be retrieved anytime once you log in back to your account. Download or share your design as PDF or image file. Here are some of the benefits of designing in Canva. Canva is a free, easy-to-use graphic design tool and produces quality and professional designs. 2. A large number of templates are available on Canva, and these templates can be customized with different fonts, colors, and shapes. 3. Canva has one of the most user-friendly interface and does not require experience or technical training. Last but not least, the templates are size-specific and it saves time in setting the design sizes. If you are a professional graphic designer or just starting out your career as a graphic designer, I would like you to add Canva to your list of design tools and use it alongside other design software like Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, among others. To access more design templates and functionalities of the Canva, you can consider purchasing a plan from as low as $30 per year, which gives you more benefits such as increased storage space, instant background remover, and add team of workers to access the Canva designs.